If you need anything made from tarmac, contact the experts at Express Asphalt. Working throughout the northeast of England and Scotland, we have completed many installations for commercial and industrial customers, including local authorities and government bodies. Whatever your tarmac requirements, we can help. We build roads, car parks, playgrounds, sports areas, forecourts, warehouses and much more. We also provide domestic services and are happy to install driveways and paths for homeowners, giving the same attention to detail and using the same high-quality tarmac. Resurfacing is our speciality, so if your driveway is in need of repair or a road is suffering from potholes, we can repair these quickly and easily. No job is too big or small, and you'll be pleased to know that our work is guaranteed and we are fully insured. If you'd like to receive a free, no-obligation quotation, call Express Asphalt today.